Chinese vegetable chow mein, deluxe style. Deluxe because there's loads and loads of different veg in there. Really, really simple, beautiful, bit of a classic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So the first thing I should talk to you about is noodles. There are many different types of noodles. You can see there, I've got like 3 cups of soaked noodles. These ones require you to soak them into some warm water. Some you need to boil. Just check the packet for what you need there. Now let's look at some essentials. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic. All the other vegetables are completely optional. I'm going with broccoli, carrot, cauliflower, bell peppers, green beans, cabbage. That's why we're calling this a deluxe version, but you can put anything in you want. Mushrooms can go in there, celery. We've got some cilantro or coriander here. And then what I've got there is oyster sauce. There's like 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a tiny amount of lemon juice, and about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. You could use dark. We're going to get to the cooker, start this off with some oil. Okay, so you're going to need a wok or a nice pan like this, you know, something you can, a skillet you can fry it all around in. I've got some oil in there, like 3 tablespoons of oil. Now you can use any oil you want. I'm using sunflower here. You might want to use sesame if you're that way inclined. Let's go. So we're on a high heat and I'm dropping in the onion, 1 cup of onion and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. If you wanted, you could add ginger to this. Now we're going to drop in some of our hard vegetables. In go my carrot. Again, we're going like a cup each sort of thing. I've cut the carrots nice and thin so they're going to cook quite quickly. We're going to go with our cauliflower and our green beans. And like I say, we're just adding our hardest vegetables now. So if you had celery, drop it in now. Right, high heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to drop in our shredded white cabbage. Probably 2 cups there, not 1 cup. We're going to go with our broccoli, a cup, and bell peppers, 1 cup. So plenty of lovely vegetables in here. A lovely selection. I'm now going to add a nice big pinch of black pepper. I'm going to add salt, but only a little bit because soy sauce, salty. Oyster sauce, salty. Another 3 minutes, high heat, keeping it moving. So like I said, I like a nice crunch on my vegetables. Some people like them really well cooked. So that's up to you. Right, now we're going to add soy sauce, a couple of tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And a little splash of water. Fabulous. We're now ready for our noodles. Like I say, these noodles were just required to soak them in a little bit of warm water just for a couple of minutes. Read the packet of the noodles that you have. 3 more minutes, stirring all the time, staying on the high heat. That is looking absolutely fabulous. Off goes the heat. Now, I've got some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Get that in there. If you want, you could put some fresh chili in here, or some spring onions or green onions. And then a little bit at the end, a little splash of lemon juice works absolute wonders. Really, really makes it really good. that is done. Let me get that beautiful dish on a plate. And there it is, absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.